Do you think we are in Veo 3?
If you cannot tell, does it matter?
When Veo 3 came out, everyone's minds were just blown.
No Kling AI, no Sora. Yes, you heard it right.
This world is a virtual reality matrix, and we are all AI.
Oh, pardon me. I am so sorry.
See the results. Isn't it amazing?
It is really top-notch.
So follow AI Explore to know how it actually works. Let's get started. First part is Veo 3 free access. It is Veo 3, not only a video generator.
It generates sound,
Wow.
sound, dialogues, music, everything.
Wow.
I can't believe this Veo 3 thing can do dialogue now.
A talking muffin!
You can access Veo 3 in two ways on Gemini and Flow. I am using Gemini Pro to generate the videos. Click Gemini. There is no video option.
Veo 3 is not available outside of USA. To get access of Veo 3, you have to use a VPN.
Just turn on the VPN. Now click Try in Gemini. You will get 1 month access of all the premium features of Veo 3. Here, add your card number, no need to buy. Just give the number. Now click Get Offer. Okay, now the video button is added. Second part is prompt. To generate high-quality videos, you need detailed prompts like this. First, mention the subject, the object that you want in your video. Next, mention the background or context. After that, the action means what the subject is doing. Then you have to mention the style of the video. You can ask help from ChatGPT. Give me a prompt to generate video with Veo 3 Google Deep Mind. Story is about a red Jeep Wrangler driving fast across the desert. It is about a car video. Subject, background, style, camera plus ambience. The prompt is ready. Just copy it and come to Veo 3. Paste here. So it can take 3 to 5 minutes. Hola! The output video is ready. Amazing quality, especially the movement of the car and the sound effect is too realistic. Now just try with human being prompt. A brave lady warrior versus a mechanical alien. Here I add some dialogues.
Destroyed my home, now I end this!
You are irrelevant. Humanity is obsolete.
Oh really? It seems like a movie. The expression and dialogue delivery is insane. But it could be more better if they get face-to-face conversation. Third part is about price. And you can access it absolutely for free for 1 month. And if you have a student account, you can get access for a year of subscription. There are 2 plans available here, Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. Fourth part is True Fact. With free account, you can generate 3 to 5 videos in Veo 3 mode. After that, you have to generate the videos with Veo 2 mode. Veo 2 does not support voice over and sound effect. This one is generated by Veo 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to get more AI-related videos. AI Explore is signing off today. Take care.